Hello and welcome to Matilda and Leander at home. We are cooking, baking or making desserts once again in our kitchen. Today, what is it going to be, Matilda?
Chocolate mousse.
It's one of our favorite recipes here from Switzerland. Originally from Betty Bossi, marked with 3 Swiss crosses, so typically Swiss. We have altered it ever so slightly so that it fits us.
Welcome to Matilda's chocolate mousse.
So this and many other recipes that you've already seen on the video, you're going to see in our next cookbook that we're going to put out. We've already made one in 2016 called Matilda Cooks. Of course, now we have to alter the name to include Leander as well. Yeah, with some of our favorite recipes here from Switzerland.
And this stuff as a cookbook from Matilda Visits. But the chocolate with strong muscles. It's ripping. Ripping offers the fun, this part.
And what is this chocolate called?
Our favourite Australian chocolate.
It's Swiss chocolate, it's Toblerone.
Now, what do we have to do now?
So to melt the chocolate, this is just a saucepan with hot water and a bowl over the top. And the steam will make the bowl warm and melt the chocolate. So while we wait for it to melt, let's go with the cream. 200 mils of full cream.
All of it?
All of it.
Now I'm going to get the first to whip it. Take this one. It looks fluffy.
It's still got a lot of melting to do.
Can you try me?
A bit more.
Oh, the yummy cream.
Is it yummy? Mm-hmm.
Can some more, my finger?
Matilda, look at me. Matilda, I need you to pour in 1 egg into 1 tablespoon of powdered sugar. Hold on to the bowl with your other hand, sweetie, so it doesn't slip.
When are we going to eat this dessert?
When it's finished.
What are we doing now?
Yep, we're pouring it in. Super careful.
The super yummy chocolate. Now I need you to mix it in very gently. Kind of fold it in. Now I'm going to put in the egg and sugar.
Whoa! It's so flat. Now how is this going to work?
Should I show you a quick trick? If you just do it in the figure 8.
Now it's all mixed together.
So now what do we do? Put it in the fridge and we can eat it later when it's set.
It needs to be in the fridge for 3 hours. I can count how long it needs to be. 1, 2, 3.
Super!
1, 2, 3.
Makes quite a lot actually. Enough for 4 people.
So we're coming back to this in 3 hours time and show you the end result. Thank you very much for all of your comments for the last couple of videos, and yes, you're right, we are expecting our 3rd baby, a lovely little girl, in about mid-July. So we just had our lovely dinner and it's time for the dessert. The chocolate mousse is ready. It was a couple of hours in the fridge. Let's see how that goes down with the kids and us.
Mummy, cold.
Is it cold?
I love eating chocolate mousse. Let him help you, Mummy.
And how does it taste like, Leander?
Talky. Good and delicious. Thank you for watching Matilda's Cooks. Super good.
Also from me, thank you very, very much for watching. I'm really looking forward to this dessert. Please do subscribe to our channel and we look forward to your comments. Try it out. The recipe follows in just a second.